we're at Target again. Why are we at Target again?
Because you're addicted, like a white basic girl.
No, it's not me. It's him. I promise it's him.
It's me, but don't tell her.
Anyways, why are we here?
Anyways, in the back of Targets, they're putting like a Topps Chrome, Collectibles, NFL merch, all that stuff. So we're going to see if it's there.
All right.
So let's go take a look.
Check it out. Look at this golden hour glow we got going right now.
Oh, yeah. Well, we'll see.
Ooh, pink car. Can I get a pink car?
No.
Side entrance.
Only because I'm on camera, I'll get the door.
Yeah, only because he's on camera. Every time. It looks like it might be set up.
Bill's merch.
Cool.
That's a nice starter jacket.
It's a nice material.
All right, it looks like we got some shirts here. Kid sizes, adult sizes. Pretty nice looking. I like that black one. We got a water bottle up here. Over here, a nice starter jacket. I love that one, actually. Then we got the blind boxes over here. Let's go.
Blind boxes. We have Sesame Street. Whatever that is. Peanuts. And Hello Kitty, of course.
We're not close to being finished. There's a whole wall over here.
Oh my gosh. How cute. Ta-da-da. Godzilla.
Is this the one we just opened with Dr. Doom? Yeah.
Yes.
So Target has these
That's
two.
cool.
But
These ones are bobbleheads. That's cool.
these are a little bit bigger statues, and you can get
Show the side.
3 different Spider-Mans.
Bougie. They have all these little fun mystery popsicles.
Why did I get you this for your birthday? It's a Fugg Nugget.
Oh my god, that's so cute.
Let's get them.
All right, he's going to get a Fuggler Nugget. It'll be an early birthday. They have these cool mystery collectibles, too. Your dad might like these.
Yeah, it's not the bobbleheads. Just the
Oh,
Fuggler
God.
Nugget options.
Sorry, almost falling in a Target. These are so cute. I love McNuggets.
Oh, guys, we have more.
Hold on. Let's finish this section.
Way too many, guys. I'm overhyped.
Rilakkuma. They kind of look like Boo Boo and Doo Doo, but they're not. More Sesame Street, too. Powerpuff Girls. That's cool to see. All right, let's see. What are you excited about?
Just more. We love
We've
those.
opened those before. More Minions. I wish they were $20, but like they are at Pop Mart. So when it comes to Pop Mart, you're going to probably pay more. Those ones are so cute.
I'm actually surprised they have Digimon. That's crazy.
What are these Barbie ones? Oh, they're all the different eras of Barbie. Oh. I had the Ballet Witches Barbie.
So just for reference, we're calling this new at Target Collectibles.
New at Target Collectibles.
I think that is it for now.
Looks like that's it, but it looks like they're going to have all these different like Barstool fun games. Karaoke party game for people who can't sing. This sounds so fun. Flip a card and think of a word with that lyric in it. Your lyrics believe, Mike.
Do they?
Your words believe. Start singing a song with the word believe.
Don't stop believing. No.
Yeah,
I get
he can't
copyrighted
sing.
with that. Good.
Looks like it's all the same Lego sets still. I'm upset. I didn't know about that exclusive Ditto one that you could get. We just found this cool end cap of bag charms at Target.
FAO shorts.
FAO Schwartz.
This is metal, and this is like a leather.
That's
It's acrylic.
nice. There's like a Supergirl one right there. That's a capybara.
Oh, that's cool.
Superman.
Mermaid.
Oh yeah.
We got a fork.
Stitch, an angel, of course. These ones are cute too. All these little Hello Kitty, Kuromi.
FAO shorts getting into the black.
Oh, look at there's a pickle. Deal with it. If only there was High School Musical. Okay, we are looking for Witch's Brew because I'm down to 2 cans. I know. I've been spreading them out, okay? I had one Saturday. I had one Saturday and Sunday, and then today was the first time I had one. It is now Wednesday.
I'm looking for the Ghost A&W, but I don't see it.
All right. We made it to the main aisle. Look at mini pumpkins. I try not to get excited about Halloween until after my birthday. But they're so cute. Mike thinks he spotted them. No. No.
Spotted them, aren't
They have the cotton candy, pink slush. And then they have the summer splash bloom, which I do like. But no, we're looking for Witch's Brew. I still have some blooms at home. All right, we have got everything we needed. I got my breakfast bars, Fuggler.
I got my strawberry lemonade, the water enhancer, and my Fuggler.
We're gonna go check out and open our Fugglers.
See you there.
Bag secured. Don't worry, I'm carrying it. He's just a princess.
Carrying these guns. They look good on camera. Okay, guys, we made it to the truck. We got the Fuggler Nugget. Fugg Nuggets. It's the proper name.
Really, Fugg Nug?
Fugg Nugs.
It's a Fugg Nug.
Bag charm. That's exciting.
Ooh, it's gonna go on my lounge fly.
I gotta tell them something. They're missing out on the best thing. Make sure you subscribe because you'll never know what you're gonna miss.
And we're going to Disney soon.
Yeah, like there's a reason to subscribe, right?
Yeah.
So, you want to go first or me?
Do we go at the same time?
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Play stuff. Ooh.
Hopefully that was
ASMR.
ASMR. All right. Oh yeah. So it does kind of open like a nugget box, but we gotta peel this sticker. Oh, we didn't even look. So there's a secret rare that's a 1 out of 24 chance.
Okay.
I feel like all Fugglers kind of look the same though, right?
Yeah, I mean, like they're different shapes. It looks like if you show them.
Oh, I just ripped off some of them.
There's that.
They're like the different McDonald's shapes. So like, let's be honest. Like what? This one's probably like one of the elite McDonald's shapes.
Guys, this is.
Am I wrong?
No. So this is kind of funny because it's even ramped up inside.
I'm still working on carrying mine. Ready?
Boom. It's a bag inside there that we got to rip down.
Oh, it came with a little silica packet too. Oh. I saw mine. Am I mad though?
Oh, there's a card?
It's the elite shape of McDonald's chicken nugget. I have Happy Meal.
Oh God, these are tough to open.
What one do you have?
I don't know. I didn't look at my card. I didn't know there was one. Luna? That's the new name.
Oh my God, I have Happy Meal.
I'm actually kind of excited for these. These are cute.
What's yours name?
Now you have names apparently?
Yeah, mine's Happy Neil. Yours is Bozo Nug.
And he already took a bite. Like, was yours taking a bite out of?
I don't think so.
Yeah, it was.
Oh.
Happy Neil.
I have Happy Neil, and Mike's got Bozo Nug.
Let's be honest, though. I'm not a big Fuggler collector, but... Oh, did you ever find the Fuggler?
Yeah, I found the Fuggler.
That's what I was like.
He hit a Fuggler in my bag the other day.
Poop. Alright, yeah, they're pretty cute.
Yep.
So, we'll have to go to Target eventually in like another week or so just to like see it fully finished because I feel like there's going to be a lot more to see.
Yeah, there was minimal Bills merch.
Yeah, and there's like, we went to, where did we go? In Florida, right?
Yeah, we were at one in Fort Lauderdale that was set up.
Yeah, we didn't.
And they had Dolphins merch galore and Bills merch, so then I was covering up all the Dolphins merch with Bills merch. It was kind of funny.
Shout out to you, Bills Mafia.
Yes.
But there's like Bills Transformers in Kansas City and stuff.
They had like all this Bills stuff at the Fort Lauderdale one. It was pretty cool, so
we'll have to wait and see as they start moving in here. So.
Okay.
Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Bye.